Today's lesson is going to be on frequently misspelled words. You know, words that make you stop and think, like, how do you spell misspelled and how many S's does it have? There can be several reasons that make words trickier than others. Some of the tricks that they use that trip us up are double letters, silent letters, similar spelling to other words, or sounding like other words. In your lesson today, they will give you 20 clues and 20 words to fill in the blanks. They'll have a couple of letters given to you, and your job is to, from the clue, guess what the word is and spell it correctly, like a pain often associated with your head. Well, we usually talk about a headache when you have a pain in your head. Ache is tricky because it actually has CH in the middle, but it is not achy or atch, it is ache. So that's how this one is tricky because we have a silent letter. So you will be following all of the clues and filling in all the words for all 20 clues. For the Google form, I will give you a few of the clues and ask you to correctly spell the word from your book that fit that clue. Remember to hit submit and mark as done when you are finished. This is a nice quick lesson, so it might be a good day to make sure that you're working on your science as well.